Is she happy or what? Hey, warm and humid, words you don't normally hear in early November, but we are uttering those exact words.
Unbelievable warmth over the weekend. Hit 80 degrees yesterday, surpassed 80 degrees today, but as it comes to an end, that's when you can get some fireworks, and that's what we're talking about for this evening. But right now, things are still looking good for the next few hours. Any evening plans, I think you're going to be fine. The early evening hours, that better chance of showers and thunderstorms is going to move in from the northwest during the late evening and overnight. Just a broken cloud cover over Metro Nashville right now. Temperature stood at 82 degrees for a little while this afternoon, and that ties the record set back in 1975 for today. So the warmest November 5th on record. And those records go back to the 1870s. So these records have been around a little bit of a time and certainly gives you an idea of how unusual today's temperatures were. And yesterday as well came close to a record yesterday, and it's still in the mid 70s right now. 77 degrees in Nashville, 77 in Lebanon, 76 Spring Hill and Smyrna, 73 in Murfreesboro, and it feels kind of muggy outside. It's certainly not normal for early November, but that humidity is going to be the fuel for a chance of showers and thunderstorms that does drop in later tonight. Let's take a look at temperatures first, and then we'll get into where the storms are going to go. Temperatures stay very warm throughout the evening. By 10 o'clock, a mix of 60s and still 70s on the map. We're supposed to top out in the mid 60s in the middle of the afternoon. We're still going to be in the 70s at 10 o'clock in the evening. As the showers and storms move through, we drop down to the 60s overnight, and then we just kind of stay in the 60s throughout the day on Monday. Farther to the northwest of Nashville, I think you're going to have to struggle to hit 60 degrees during the warmest part of the afternoon. So a change begins to kick in, and as that change happens, well, here are the atmospheric fireworks going off right now in southern Illinois over towards St. Louis. The purple shaded counties, that's a tornado watch just off to our northwest. So we're going to keep an eye out for all types of severe weather as those storms actually move in. Let's zoom in with Futurecast and show you when they're going to actually arrive. Looks like around 10 or 11 o'clock for the arrival of those stronger thunderstorms in northwestern Middle Tennessee, the western half of southern Kentucky. For Metro Nashville, it looks like the storms are going to arrive about 1, 2 o'clock in the morning. They could speed up a little bit. They could slow down a little bit. The good news for Nashville is that the severe weather threat should back off once we get past midnight, and even to the northwest of Nashville. The post-sunset timing really does help us out. Doesn't eliminate the severe weather threat, but it's not going to be as high as it is for folks up to our northwest right now. Early morning showers and thunderstorms to the southeast of Nashville will diminish. Then as we head through the day Monday, talking about just isolated showers, a lot of cloud cover, but then more showers and storms. Move across the mid-state from west to east as we head through Monday evening and overnight. So another good chance of showers and thunderstorms lingering in the forecast all the way into early Tuesday morning. So things are going to be a little bit active over the next couple of days. But in terms of that severe weather potential, that's in place for us tonight. The showers and storms that move through tomorrow night, I'm not as concerned about. The greatest threat of severe weather is happening right now in Illinois, Indiana, and Ohio, and then it diminishes as the storms move in after sunset. They start to lose their punch, but all types of severe weather will be possible. The main threat will be damaging straight line winds, but we'll be on the lookout for any sign of rotation with those storms. Just stay weather aware, and we'll keep you ahead of those thunderstorms if any warnings are issued. Temperatures drop off quite a bit. We're talking 50s and 60s, and that's, well, actually normal for early November. So you can say goodbye to the record high temperatures that we had today. At least it was here for the weekend, and now we see that better chance of showers and storms moving in after the sun goes down. And of course, sun is already down because now we're into standard time. It's Joe's favorite time of the year because it's already dark out.
All right, thank you, Paul. Up next in sports, did a discussion over who has the best